Hi, Mark here. Today I'm going to take you through the 3 new functions that we will be introducing into the schedule. We've introduced the ellipse button, so if you click on that within the schedule, it will display a list of tasks. The 3 new tasks are carryover job, time clock, and reschedule. So with the time clock, very simple, you click on that button, brings up the clock in and out timer. You simply click on that to start the time, and of course it changes the status, etc. Now time is displayed and that gets logged within the job. Second one is reschedule, so click on that button. Within your pop-up, first step is to select your date that you are rescheduling this to. Then you select your technician or your booking bay using the left list, and on the right of course you get to choose your time. The middle sections is about your pickup, so you can change your pickup date and of course your pickup time. You do have a details section which you can expand. When you expand, you can see more details about the customer and the vehicle, and that's just an FYI. Once you've done that, you press save. So that whole process really will take you under 30 seconds to reschedule the job. I'll go to a job that's in progress now, and obviously that's when I can carry over a job from one day to another. I have the same process. I can select my date, my technician or bay, select my time, change my pickup date and time, and press save. So again, really easy and very efficient, under 30 seconds. As you do those, your statuses do change. So if I hover over this one, you can see this particular job has been rescheduled due to my status. So you have got full visibility across the board. Well, that's it for now. This should be released in October. So hope you're looking forward to it, and hope it drives some efficiency in your business.